Bryan Budd was part of a patrol in Afghanistan when he suddenly noticed 4 Taliban sneaking through a cornfield. Using hand signals, he led his men to the edge of the field to intercept the enemies. At that point, however, the group was spotted and fired upon from multiple directions. The incoming enemy fire was getting stronger. 2 British soldiers were already wounded, and Budd realized that they would not last much longer like this. As a result, he stood up and charged alone through the dense cornfield toward the insurgents. His comrades could hear him open fire on the Taliban, then they lost contact. However, the enemy fire went silent, allowing the rest of the unit to withdraw with the wounded. Later, as the soldiers searched for Budd, they finally reached the enemy position in the cornfield. Here, they found his lifeless body, along with numerous shell casings, and 3 Taliban fighters shot dead. Budd's deployment would have lasted only 5 more days. For the courageous act of saving his comrades, he received the highest military award from Great Britain.